Collaborative Applications for SharePoint from Crow Canyon Systems. Collaborative applications are team-based applications that leverage SharePoint and its collaborative features and merges that with processes that you use in your business every day to create a team-based application in such areas as help desk, customer service, CRM, and other applications that necessitate collaboration between different teams in the organization. Let's take a look at how Crow Canyon builds these applications so that you can fit your specific needs. First of all, we leverage what you already have, systems you already own, like SharePoint, tools you already know, like Microsoft Office, and processes you already use in your organization. Second, we empower business users. We deliver out-of-the-box applications that can be run immediately that are built using standard SharePoint. This means you can use SharePoint to make any changes that you need without coding. This makes it 100% customizable by end users. Finally, we allow it to integrate with your existing applications and collaborative systems such as email, calendars, and so on. This is made very easy by Microsoft SharePoint, so we can link to your back office applications. We integrate well with Microsoft Office and Outlook, and all documents, discussions, and so on can be brought into the team-based application. All this means that you get the solution that you need to fit your specific business needs. Now let's take a look at the application areas that we address. The first area is those services that occur internally in your organization. Often we see these as IT services, HR, facilities, administration, room scheduling, and so on. They are often the backbone of your organization's ability to deliver business. CCS Service Request is in essence, super help desk that can span across all different service departments to provide a centralized help desk or service desk system for your entire organization. You can start with a single area such as IT and add areas as you grow. The second area that we address is outwardly to your customers, allowing your organization to provide superior customer service and manage accounts in a team-based environment. Our CCS Accounts package allows you to do integrated account management, including contacts, opportunities, leads, and even integrate that with a full customer support and ticketing system, as well as additional future applications such as equipment tracking and field service. These applications can be used independently or plugged together as a suite. You can deploy them on your own SharePoint system, or we can host it in a software as a service type mode. Now let's take a look at one example company that is using our applications. This is a medical equipment company. They chose Crow Canyon applications because they have already standardized on SharePoint as their unifying infrastructure for collaborative applications. So the first thing we did was took a look at their SharePoint. They happen to be running SharePoint WSS 3.0. The next thing we did was work with them to determine which applications they needed to create really a rolling start towards their solution. First of all, they needed account management, a central place that they could keep track of all accounts, contacts, and opportunities across their team. Next, they needed a customer service capability and the ability to track issues and tickets. They also needed a capability to integrate in project management, and in this case they brought in Microsoft's project template, which we then integrated with the account management and the ticketing so that they could actually see an overview view for any account, opportunity, or project. Finally, we created an equipment list for them, which kept track of what equipment was at what account and what projects and maintenance or issues related to that equipment. This created a total solution for them for managing their customers and the services that they provide. Their next step was to customize the applications. So they added specific data elements into the list, such as information into tickets, such as client numbers and additional information. They created columns. They also defined the roles within their organization, what their customer service staff had access to and saw, and what their sales staff has access to. So they did that with creating user roles and groups. They also customized their workspaces so that they could get different views for reporting on perhaps a customer service manager view that gives an overview of all activities relating to customer service, a sales manager view, as well as, in this case, a field service manager view. They also manage their dashboard so that they can set up their measurement as they needed it across the different applications and activities. So here's a couple of examples of what happened. Is they were able to create, for instance, an account overview screen, which is part of our accounts application, so that for any account they could see all activities, notes, tasks, opportunities, contacts, tickets, and project tasks relating to a single account. That way, when a salesman was visiting an account, he could bring up this screen to see a total overview picture of what's going on in the account. Here's an example of a service manager workspace. This they created so that the service manager could see what was going on, especially with the top opportunities that were going on in sales accounts, and make sure that exceptional customer service was always being given. So the solution they ended up with is a solution that their full team, their customer-facing team, could collaborate on and get total visibility across all accounts, all activities. They also integrated it with back-office systems for order management and invoicing, and they're right now building in access on the web so that their field service people can actually take a look at tickets and address work orders. This is the solution that fit their needs. If you would like to learn more about collaborative applications from Crow Canyon Systems, visit us at sharepointapplications.biz or contact sales.